Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete all likes video on TikTok at once. First, open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then, tap on the heart icon to view your liked video. After that, select a video and tap the heart icon again. When it turns white, it means you've unliked it. Now, scroll through your liked video and repeat this process for each one you want to unlike. Then, go back to your profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Next, select the settings and privacy, then tap on privacy. Now, scroll down and find liked videos, and set the option to only me to hide your liked video. Finally, go back and tap on report a problem. Scroll down and tap on submit a report. Type your message requesting to delete all your liked video and then tap submit. Your request will be sent to TikTok for review. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.